Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you what to do if you hear no sound from your TELEFUNKEN J501 TV. First, make sure your TV isn't muted. Your remote has a dedicated mute button. Press it and confirm the icon appears on screen. If you still can't hear sound, try increasing the volume using the volume button. If that doesn't help, open the dashboard by pressing Home, scroll down to Settings, then select Sound. In the sound menu, you can adjust volume and choose headphone or line out. Use headphones to test if your speakers work properly. The Dolby Audio preset may interfere with your sound. If set to Smart, try changing it to Movie or turning it off. This lets you manually adjust the equalizer, select presets, or use the custom user equalizer to adjust each frequency. Try disabling dynamic bass, enable or disable surround sound, and most importantly, make sure the sound output is set to TV. This should resolve your issue. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this helped, please consider subscribing, leave a like and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.